Right.
Get him. Straight up. Straight up. All right, round 2. Hold on. Look. We need to get up here.
He's so serious.
Yo,
not
get him. Get this
He's
fool.
not laughing.
Get him. There you go.
Nice shot.
Oh, there you go.
Nice shot. Keep getting him. Keep working him.
You almost got him. Keep going. Keep going.
Come on. Get
There
him
you
in
go.
the big section, Rock. Come on.
Get him, right?
Get him.
Get after him.
You almost got him. Get him.
There you go.
Get him.
Get him. Get him.
Kicking him murder.
Come on. Yeah. You gotta eat lightning and crap thunder. Keep coming after him.
Thanks,
Right,
Coach.
right,
Ready? Hold on. Get him. Drop the hammer. Nice shot. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hard. Hard. Come on. Everything you got now. Everything you got.
He'll be sweating in a minute. He'll be
Come on, bud. Yeah, I know. Get it up. Get it up. Get it up.
We're
getting hit. We're getting hit.
Get it. Get up. Oh, there you go.
Nice shot. Nice shot. Nice shot. Another one. Don't need it there. That a boy. Keep going.
No, one
Keep
more.
going. One more. Come on. Come on. Drop this fool.
No. You got another round.
Hold on. Round 2. Rest for. Look. Keep him tight and high.
He's exhausted.
Go. Get him.
He's exhausted.
Get him. Nice shots. Nice. Keep going.
He's tired too.
Get him.
Get him, right?
One more.
He's vulnerable. Get it up here.
Oh.
Get it up here.
Yeah!
Hold on.
Rest. Riley,
Hold on. Rest.
Get
All right,
down.
we got to get him now. In the face. In the face. In the face. Rock this fool. Drop this chump.
Go, Ryan.
Come on.
Ryan.
Keep on dropping the hammer. There you go.
Get him.
Bring it
Get
down.
him.
Bring in the wood. Bring in the wood.
What's the stuff I got in my
There it is. Keep coming. Keep coming.
Outside. Go. There you go. Too low.
Come on. Get him.
Go high,
Get
buddy.
him.
Go
Get him high. Get him high. Up here. Hands up here.
Ah!
You got to hands up here.
What
Hold
happened?
on. Not yet.
Yeah,
Get knocked out.
Get him. Go get him. Up here. Get it high. Get your hands up.
He's sweating. He's tired.
Keep going. That a boy.
Get him, right.
He's
We all clap when he's fight.
He's ready to go. It's over. It's over.
Baby!
Okay, Riley, tennis.
Woo! Hold on. He's got to see himself. He can throw punches right now.
Yeah, he likes it.
Yeah! That a boy. Give me some of that. Give me 5.
He's in the zone, dude. He's in the zone.
Give me 5.
He's in the
Biscuit.
zone. He's in the zone, dude.
Yeah, he's breathing.
All right.
Okay.
Tennis.
What else can do?